Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to create dot brush. So if you want to create dot brush, you can go to brush tools and then click on the brush option. As example, I will use this digital pen, and then you can click on the shape option, scroll down, and then you can increase the dot option in here. So I will set into 100% to create dot brush. After it, you can try to draw into your canvas. So it will be create the dot brush. Okay, I will also active the stabilizer like into 5, and then you can draw again the dot brush. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to create dot brush. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.